name is Sridevi Tondunur, and I'm from south part of the India. I studied engineering in a college called Bangalore Institute of Technology, and I got my first job in the campus interview. But I started like working in India for about 2-3 years, like before I got married and I came to US. I also worked for Oracle in India. I worked for Temenos for most of the time. My longer period was in Temenos T24. It was a Swiss company, and it's a banking software company. And I worked as a software QA engineer, like a manual engineer. And then I was like, I wanted to pursue job. I want to continue job. So that was my main goal. So I wanted to work here. I pursued another small course in a place called as Canvas Infotech, and then I got my first job in US. That was in Wells Fargo. That's where my career started. I worked in Wells Fargo twice, and I worked for E-Trade later. And my most part of the time was in my recent, like previous to where I work now, that is in Comcast. My longer period of work was in Comcast. So yeah, that's like my background of my studies. While I was working in Comcast period, one of my cousin used to stay with me, and he was also looking for jobs, changing jobs. And we were actually looking for consultancies who can help. And that's where online we found you guys, that is Interview Kickstart. He actually joined Interview Kickstart. He made some courses. He did some courses through you, and he said it's pretty good. But that time I could not do because I gave birth to few beautiful daughters. I was very busy in personal life. And then, yeah, when my contract ended, I just attended a seminar. I went online, I looked for you, I knew you, and I attended your first seminar. And then I again took a pause. I was actually thinking to join because of all this even the financial things, the pay that I have to give the Interview Kickstart and things like that. But I had a call with one of your colleagues, and I think admin or IT, whoever it is, and they were like very very good. They were like trying to motivate me, or trying to give me a good discount and things like that. And they showed me the materials. That materials what is shared is a lifetime warranty. Basically, it's a lifetime access that I have. And they explained to me about the support, what that I can get from Interview Kickstart. And oh my God, like I really loved it. And I made a decision that I also spoke from my family, my husband, that I need to join this course. I was sure that I'm going to learn a lot, and I'm going to be there through Interview Kickstart. So I love the materials. That's how I got into Interview Kickstart.
If I remember correctly, you said you wanted to join the FANG companies when we connected in the beginning, right?
Yes. Yes.
I remember that was one of your goals when we connected.
The obstacle actually was within me. I was like low in confidence that, hey, what like FANG companies, interviews, so many round of interviews, and how can I meet that? So when I joined Interview Kickstart, that obstacle that I had in me, that oh, hey, coding, how can I do that? That went away completely. How much confidence they built in us through each of your support sessions. What is it called? Like one-on-one sessions, couple of mock interviews, and interview like the training sessions, domain sessions. All these sessions helped, and experts in Interview Kickstart was so good that I'm sure, because they also shared their experiences that, hey, I wasn't in your position few years ago, maybe 1 or 2 years ago. Practice every day coding. That's the only way. You need to look into code, especially this was like for the interview clearing perspective, coding for interview clearing perspective. That kind of the fear what I had, I really got rid of it when I joined Interview Kickstart. All the experts, like I think they used to join from India, they were amazing. They installed the confidence, the Python coding sessions, and they were showing me how every syntax, everything. So that year, which I actually took a break off after Comcast. So that year, I attended all these domain sessions, support sessions, which Interview Kickstart gave, and it really helped me. One was this confidence in me. And yeah, I am attending sessions, but what next? When am I going to get an interview? few months of training, I had to balance between home because I had kids, I had this. But the timings, it was very flexible with Interview Kickstart. But I always used to feel that there is a big delay in me moving forward, not in learning perspective, but yeah, being there. When am I going to be there? That frustration, that feeling yourself low, all those things should be there, was there. Yeah.
How did you overcome these obstacles? How did you overcome this this feeling or the forecast, as you said, the delay part of it? How did you overcome, or how did you overcome those challenges?
Yeah, I mean, though I was feeling that at that point of time, I also made up my mind that I have someone to support now. I am talking to them. I am learning. That is like all the experts in the Interview Kickstart. They were trying to install so much confidence in me. So I took it like step by step. First, learning, setting myself as important, setting my mindset, setting my my technical skills before I face anybody. So that I just took it step by step, and I was trying to be a little patient. Actually, after attending these sessions, I had to make up. In my case, I had to make a personal trip to India for good, for something good. So I had to take a brief break there. I came back. I again emailed that, hey, I'm back. I had a brief break, and I want to come back. I want to start in such a way that I already attended the expert sessions. I already attended a couple of mock interviews. I'm also doing the coursework. But apart from this, what is the support that Interview Kickstart can give me? So they connected me. So they made that move, and they connected me to the, like a career transformation manager like you. And oh my God, from there, it's a boom. And each sessions that I connected with the career transformation managers like you, that boomed my confidence. I was really low, I'm sure. So all that I was able to overcome, and look where I am. Yes, I'm in contracting position, but I landed in thanks. I'm working for Google, and I feel so happy about that. It really shows me a very good a good profession in my resume, and like that I'm working for Google, and I'm only looking forward and fly higher from here.
I know you were so excited when you get that. I even remember when you and I connected, you were very positive. You have always been a very positive person, You were low, yes, on a confidence, but you were very positive, and you were very, you were very keen on just giving everything. So it's when we worked together, I remember you, all of whatever I told you, you were always done. So that is a good thing. And now you're working for Google, and I remember you might be going into a leadership role next week.
Yes, I'm going to be assigned kind of a responsible role, and I'm working in Python. It was like, as I said, it was like my dream, and I'll be like a release and a build engineer kind of DevOps release and build engineer kind of role. I think I'm liking it.
I know you love it. You have been telling me about it pretty often.
First, as I said, the obstacles what I had, just don't put yourself low. First, overcome that obstacles, and make a move with confidence. Have trust in yourself. Utilize if you join companies like Interview Kickstart and things like that. If you join here, basically have trust in them too. It's really good. Diligently, promptly. Do all the tasks, get yourself upskilled with AI and the latest technologies. You have to keep updating yourself. Don't lose heart or confidence. Use the materials given, and I'm sure you'll be there. Do the right things, you'll get the right result.